In this video, I will show you how to join and complete rewards list in Roblox The Hatch. So to get started, go ahead and open Roblox in your device, and then on your home screen, you'll find this Join the Hatch section. So click on that join button at the right side to be able to join the hatch, and then this will load on your screen. So wait for this to load. So as you can see in here, a boat will pop. So in here, you need to go ahead and ride the boat to be able to reach the other end. Now, once you reach the other end, this will take you into this section where you can actually wait for the hatching to start. So once you click on that quest button at the left side of your screen in between the inventory and fast travel, you'll be able to find all of the available quests that you can join to on the hatch. For each of the quests, you'll be able to receive eggs. So these are the eggs that you need to earn to be able to complete each of these quests. So as you can see at the top of the quest list, you'll be able to find the amount of time that you need to wait for to be able to join the next quest. So in here, you just need to wait for it, and a notification will pop on your screen if the next quest is actually available already. So you'll be able to find a portal in between this alley once the next quest is already ongoing. You need to go ahead and jump on that portal, and then you'll be able to find all of the games that you can join to be able to get an egg. So as you can see, that is a portal where you need to go ahead and jump to. And that is how you can basically join and complete rewards in Roblox The Hatch.